So this is the main entrance. Go from inside and enter. Right on your left, you will see the kitchen. Obviously, it's renovation. So here it's kitchen. This is living room. You can do bedroom, one bedroom more as well. This is the toilet. First one. Here's his storage. You go upstairs from here. You enter. There are stairs. Then when you reach at this level, you go on your right. See a small hole. You see a small hole right here. First one is a small bedroom, and secondly is another small bedroom as well. This wall, you can open this wall, so it can be one big bedroom as well. And you come here. This is on the second floor the toilet. Then you go here. This is the main bedroom upstairs. And this is from here. As you go that way, the outside. You have the church near beside you.